Hello and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This video I would like to show you some of my non-Zippo items, starting with some Zippo tape measures I have. The first one is from my home state of Wisconsin, Top Line, Janesville, Wisconsin. Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, Pennsylvania. I believe all these are from the 70s and 80s. This one, the tape is a little beat up, but it's still cool. Next one is also a Wisconsin one, Green Bay Packaging Company. Nice brush chrome. Now it might be 80s, I believe, or 90s, somewhere in there. Never noticed if there was a difference in the bottom stamp. Yep. See, older stamp, newer stamp. Third one, also Wisconsin, Lattice Company, to mark progress, has the older stamp. Tape is in really good shape on that one too. And then this one has an older bottom stamp. Also a Wisconsin one, Hamilton of Two Rivers. This is where my father worked and retired from, Ridgeways Trucking. Tape's a little beat up on that one too. And there's this one, which is double-sided as well. Surgical Care Blue Shield Plan, the Medical Society of Milwaukee County, so it's also Wisconsin. It has the older stamp, so I believe it's 70s. And there's this one, Curtis 1000 90th anniversary, Nassau 1972. So this is 70s as well. There's the older style stamp. And last but not least, Dawson Sons, specializing in Zippo lighters, rules, knives, and golf balls, Belmead, Texas. Older 70s stamp as well. This one's not in the worst shape either. And I believe this company is still in business, except I think they just call themselves DOS. I'm not sure. I can't remember at this moment. But these are my tape measures that I have in my collection. And this one is the special one to me because, like I said, my father has retired from there. My lady Jennifer used to work there in her younger years. And I just like these. I buy them when I come across them at good prices. A couple of them I have received for free from friends, and I greatly appreciate their kindness and the gift of the tape measures that they've given me. Like this one was given to me by a friend. This one was given to me by a friend. So I hope you like what you see. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help this little channel grow. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.